Girls, who pooped in the kitchen? Sunny, you pooped in the kitchen?
Who did it? Did Jazz do it? Jazzy girl, did you do it? Jazzy girl, who did it? Miller, Miller, look at me. Miller, look at me. Did you eat off the counter? Hey, did you eat off the counter? Did you? Did you eat off the counter? Are you supposed to do that?
Did you make this mess and tear up that Christmas present? Did you do this? Did Lily do that? Did she do this? I think you did.
Are you sleeping in Sierra's bed? Are you? Are you? Have you been sleeping in Sissy's bed? Have you? Yes, you have. Oh.
Ziggy, was that you that ate out of the garbage? Ziggy, who pulled garbage out and ate it? Was that you? You have that guilty sit going on right now. You chewed up the garbage.
Those are my good boys, but they weren't very good today because somebody chewed up Mom's underpants. Who was it? Who was it?